Technology has evolved so much over the years. We're using it for commercial use now, and it's made us more efficient. I mean, even today, I can pull a WIP report up. With our old technology, we was pulling job cost report one at a time. Now I can pull a WIP report up, and I've got every project, commercial construction project, that we have live today. And I can see where we're at, what our billing looks like, how much we build on equipment, how much we've used in labor. My name is John Hurst, president of Interstate AC, and I've been here for 11 years. Project manager, and then I moved into director of construction, and now president of the company. I know in order to grow, you've got to evolve. And the only way you can evolve is introduce technology into your company.
My name is Kirsta Holloman. I have been with Interstate AC Service for 5 years, and I am the CFO. Switching over to ServiceTitan for our operations from a financial and operating part, it helped us be in live data. We were used to working 2 to 3 weeks behind. The guys would come in on Mondays with timesheets that we were having to key in for a whole week that was already passed. We weren't able to do our cash flow on a timely basis because we weren't able to bill our customers. ServiceTitan really helped us to get where we were doing things on a daily basis versus 2 and 3 weeks behind. So of course, in turn, that increased our revenue significantly. So we decided to partner with ServiceTitan to come up to the times. Where when we switched into ServiceTitan, not only does it continuously to improve on a quarterly, if not monthly basis of adding new products, changing features to make it work better for their customers, but it opened us up to reevaluating how our processes flow, and we were able to significantly reduce and streamline a lot of our processes when we switched over to ServiceTitan. It's really streamlined a lot of things for us. My name is Kitty Dunn. I've been with Interstate for 3 years now. I was recently promoted from dispatch manager into integration specialist. Another great thing that we have now that we did not have in our old system is the equipment list. With our old system, we had a spot for 2 pieces of equipment, and working on commercial customers, they can have hundreds. And ServiceTitan allows us to capture every single piece of that equipment is at the fingertips of our technicians, and that's been a significant improvement on their side, especially for their work-life balance. I mean, it just makes it a lot easier for them.
We're going to Fisk University. This job, we're replacing a semi-hermetic compressor, and what ServiceTitan does, it allows me to track the project from how much we're spending per day on materials to labor of our technicians. So ServiceTitan really gives me an insight without having to check in with the technician. A lot of people use software in the industry, but I believe what ServiceTitan provides an ease of access that other platforms I've seen don't provide. It really allows us to work hand in hand, and we know the minute a call is complete, we have the notes from the technician, we have pictures, we have everything that we need to do our job well.
Recently partnering with a private equity firm, I couldn't have imagined any way of doing it without ServiceTitan. Coming from the software that we came from, ServiceTitan made that a very less painful process for us by providing accurate and easily accessible data.
The technology has allowed us to grow because now we can grow faster. A to Z, billing processes, from managing the field, their time, ordering parts, POs, A to Z. We're so much more advanced with ServiceTitan.